Hi guys, this is Astasha entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. Today's video is again about a little bit of shopping. Actually, I shopped quite a bit from Italy, but everything was such a big chaos that I couldn't really show everything to you. But a lot of other things were basic. My main shopping was my footwear. I bought a lot of boots. I bought a lot of heels and many things. I think everything together must be worth like 35,000. I think so. I'm not sure. I don't remember the price of all, but all were from like different brands, local brands, even known brands like Bershka and stuff like that. Just one story which I want to tell you about. So basically, when you're packing, of course, you're not going to pack with the entire box because there's not so much space. So we used to like remove the heels and put it inside the bag. Now, on the last day, I went shopping in Milan and I bought a pair of heels. And in all the stores, I had removed the heels and kept it in a bag and kept the box right there. Only in one store, I bought two heels and I didn't do that. I picked up the entire box and I got it home. Now, while packing, my parents, my brother must have packed that particular pair of heels. And they didn't know, of course, like I know what I've bought, but like they won't know what I've bought. Now, the store had probably given me another pair of heels, which I didn't buy. They mixed it up maybe in a different size, like a smaller size. I'd bought a white pair of heels and they put in some random golden smaller size pair of heels. They packed it. They thought, yeah, I've bought it. I came back to Bombay and I unpacked a few, like I unpacked things and I'm just like, oh, where are the white heels? And they're just like, which white heels? We didn't see any white heels. And I saw some random pair of golden heels which I had not bought. Moral of the story, either check at the store when you're buying the thing because sometimes they end up giving the wrong product to you, not on purpose but by mistake. And even when you're packing, make sure you are packing your own bag when you're coming back from there because now I cannot do anything. And those golden heels, but I'm happy. Those golden heels are not with me, but okay, it's fine. Okay, whatever is done is done. Let me just show you all my other pairs that I've got. Right now there are two full bags. Let's open one bag at a time. Let's go with this bag first. Those golden heels are not with me, but let's start with that particular store first. It's called Primadonna. Okay. I bought these heels. These heels. This is for I think 3.5, 3,500. I bought these heels because there was an offer that if you buy the other one and this one you get 20% off. And the other one didn't come with me. Fine, whatever. So these are like a pair of heels, like we go for like events, this, that. You just constantly need like different kinds of heels. Now there was another brand called Tata Woman, where I bought like a lot of things from there. This is one of them. I love black. Okay, now it actually was for 60 euros. It's not for 60 euros. I got this in I think 30 euros. There was like a sale going on and it's like flats. It's really nice. Red, I got this also from like Tata Women. It's like this old fashioned, very nice vibe. I think it can go on a lot of outfits. We then have another pair from Tata Capital. This is like a transparent kind of a vibe. Black, I own I think at least four pairs of black heels right now because black is the most common color, I'm sure, which everyone needs. Also, I'm not a very big heel person, but like decently. Like those days have gone where I was 18 years old and I used to wear like such big heels. Okay, this one is from Primark. This is not very expensive. This is for like 1,500 rupees, basic black. Like even if I wear it for a year, I think I'm good to go. Like not bad. Basic black heels. Another one from Primark, which is just like beachy and chill and like casual vibes. This you can wear for brunch or whatever. I know, lunch, anything, or we're just chilling. This was for 800 rupees from Primark. Not bad, yeah. Like it's cute. I'm not saying that you will not get this in India. You will get this in India. But when you go abroad and you see like little slightly cheaper things like, ha, let's pick this up, let's pick this up. This is what's happened with me. This is another pair from Primark. This one is for 17 euros, which must be around 1,800 rupees or something. But it's simple. Like this is like, you're going for a morning, I don't know, morning vibe or morning brunch or morning chill with friends or something, or even during events when we have this summer kind of a fit which we need to wear. I think, see, the heels are also not very big and it's quite nice. That brand which I mentioned to you, Tata Woman, I bought like a pair of boots. So my boots are really old. I've been using those boots since like 2, 3 years now, and I wanted to chuck those. But I've got many. I've got like 3, 4 boots. This one was just nice because it had this little shiny thing at the back. Again from Tata Women. I don't remember the prices of all this, but it must be like in a range of like 3 to 4 or maybe like 5,000 or maybe even cheaper because some were at a discount. But this has like that nice shiny vibe and I love boots. When I travel, I maximum wear boots. And here also for like some events and stuff when your vibe is like a little street vibe or something like that, which is like not like clean aesthetic but like baddie vibes, I think this is it. This is the next bag. Let's open this. There are mainly boots in this. Okay, since I've opened this and this is inside it, this is like a belt which I got from, I don't know, this was like a local brand. It's called Stradivarius. I don't know. Okay, so this belt is really cool. How do I show it to you? But like, it's cool, you know, if you wear it on shorts or something. I really love this. My favorite pair from Tata Women. Just look at these boots. You can't tell me these aren't cool. They are so cool. I love them. I think it was 5,000-6,000, but fully worth it. It can go on so many things. Like I'm just imagining myself styling it in so many ways. I love it. The next one, this is from Bershka. This was a little expensive. This was for like 6.5, I think. But I really liked, just look at this thing at the, like below it. And these little things that are coming out. Coachella. I think Coachella, you need to call me ASAP so I can style all these boots and wear it. This is like a nice brown color shade. I love it. I then have these big shoes. I think these are the biggest and tallest shoes I've ever bought. This is again from Bershka for 6.5. Super comfortable, makes me look damn tall. I'm already a little tall, but like it just makes me look taller. And why not? I just wanted to buy white shoes. When I wore it, I loved it. And again, this can be worn on many things like dresses, pants, whatever, shorts, skirts, on a lot of things. And I think it's going to look really nice. This is from Bershka. I'm sure you could get such things in India. I'm not saying you won't get it in India. But when you're out there, you just find a lot of things different. And I also feel such things could be a little more expensive in India. And I'm just fascinated. I like showing you all what I get. And of course, you're going to see me style these boots and heels and everything in outfits through the year in different ways. And I've just come and shown you what I've bought. But yeah, I'm gonna do like I think a lot of you liked my Zara haul, but I'm gonna do such hauls of probably not abroad, but here in India, things I buy. So I can tell you if it is worth it or not. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like such videos, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.